This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Trygar. 5-bed 4.5 bath fully custom home located on almost half an acre in highly sought after Mathews Green. Open floor plan with first floor bed and full bath, primary suite with extended sitting area, huge upgraded shower with rain head, new hardwood floor throughout, large walk-in pantry, mudroom, gourmet kitchen with new high-end appliances, tankless water heater, and fire pit just to name a few. Will not last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Trygar at 757-470-1139.